You won't find nobody better than I. Who better than Kai? Rhetorical, don't need no reply. Nah. I'm sensual caramel with a touch of butter. Best of both worlds, sophisticated in them gutter.
Hi guys, it's Kai and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, you guys, I want to talk about something that is a bit informative, something that I've just been diagnosed with, and it is PCOS. PCOS is Polycystic Ovary Syndrome. For the past couple of months, my physical nature has been off balance, and I've been trying to figure out what the heck is going on with me. Now, for years, I've dealt with irregular cycles. If there are any men in this video, you may not want to watch this, but I've dealt with irregular cycles, and I've always wanted to know what was the link to it, but I never went to go and get it checked. But recently, my weight has been going up and down, and it skyrocketed a little bit too high than normal when I was doing the same I was eating the same regular foods. I wasn't working out as much, but I've gone without working out for a period of time and haven't gained weight because I have a well-balanced diet. You guys know I eat healthy because I don't want to get back to where I was 2 years ago when I let myself go. So I have a well-balanced diet, so I won't get back to where I was. But recently, when my weight it fluctuated really high, I needed to know what was going on with me. So I went to the doctor today, found out that I have PCOS, and I also wanted to know why my hair kept coming out as well. PCOS can cause your hair to come out. It can cause some hair thinning, it can cause some hair loss, and if I don't do the necessary things it takes to get it under control, then it'll get worse. A lot of you ladies who may be having some unknown symptoms, feeling like some things are going weird with your body, you may have PCOS as well. I actually thought that it was linked to pregnancy, y'all, but because I was having a lot of symptoms that mimicked pregnancy symptoms, but I knew that I wasn't pregnant, but it's like, I don't know, I could be. So when I went to the doctor, found out no, you have the symptoms that are linked to PCOS. And I always knew too that because my hormones have been kind of out of whack, my grandmother actually has thyroid problems, so I figured that maybe everything with me hormonally out of balance was due to maybe I have thyroid problems. So with PCOS, I have to go on a special diet, and I have to start back working out, which I wanted to do that anyways, but I really wanted to know what it was that was causing me to be out of whack. So now I have to go on a special diet. I did download this PCOS app that is supposed to help me get on the right track. So I'll start doing that and documenting the journey of me having PCOS next week, because that's when I'm going to start from scratch with the dieting and eating the proper foods and all of that good stuff. So the common signs of PCOS and the symptoms: irregular menstrual periods, infertility, obesity, and excess hair growth on the face, chest, abdomen, and upper thighs. This condition, also called hirsutism. I don't know how to pronounce that, but you guys can see I do have I do have that, and that right there is a very self-conscious thing that I have about myself. This excess hair that I have all over my body, that is something that I really have been trying to get a hold of, and I never knew what it was linked to, but luckily today I found out that it is linked to PCOS. The infertility thing is something that scares me because I know I want to have children someday, so I'm glad that I did decide to go ahead and go to the doctor to figure out what is going on with me, because we can go ahead and get a hold of that. So when I do decide to start, practicing or start trying to have a child, it won't be as stressful with me not knowing, or with me having PCOS, my doctor can give me the necessary things that I need to go on and have it. Another thing is supposed to have severe acne or acne that occurs after adolescent and does not respond to usual treatments. That's something that I'm blessed to not have a problem with, the acne thing, because I'm a skincare junkie, so I do take care of my skin. Oily skin, patches of thickened, velvety, darkened skin. I don't have that. Multiple small fluids, filled sacs in the ovaries. Some of these symptoms I have not experienced, and some of I have experienced. But the thing that upsets me the most, or I kind of like, I don't know, I get upset about, is with the weight, because of how hard I've been trying to keep myself at a certain number and get myself down to a certain number, and the fact that my number has skyrocketed, it kind of makes me sad, because it's like I've been putting in so much work. I changed my diet, and now it's like everything I'm doing now is not working. But maybe with me starting this new PCOS diet and starting back working out, I can get my weight back down to where it was, and it won't be as complicated as it is now. But I really wanted to bring light to this topic, because I don't see a lot of, because I've been researching it since I found out about me dealing with it. I've been researching it, and I haven't seen a lot of black women talking about it. I actually haven't seen any black women. I haven't seen any black women on YouTube talking about PCOS. If you know any creators that are on YouTube talking about them dealing with PCOS, black creators that are talking about them dealing with PCOS, please link the videos down in the comment section so I can go check out those videos, because right now I'm watching different women who are talking about dealing with PCOS and, you know, stuff like that. The thing about the irregular menstrual cycle, I've been dealing with an irregular menstrual cycle. I started dealing with an irregular menstrual cycle a little after me getting into college, because when I was younger, I didn't have an irregular cycle. It just started while I was in college, and that is a point where I should have gone to the doctor to figure out why my cycle was kind of out of whack. But it's confusing, because it's all kind of like blurry, and I don't know, and I'm trying to in 2 weeks I'll know the actual results, and when I get my actual results, I'll come back and I'll tell you guys what it is and what it ain't, and how it's gonna be. Okay, what effect can weight loss have on women with PCOS? For women who are overweight, weight loss alone may regulate the menstrual cycle. Even a small loss of weight may be helpful in making menstrual periods more regular. Weight loss also has been found to improve cholesterol and insulin levels and relieve symptoms such as hair growth and acne. So I'm going to start back with my dieting, and if you guys are experiencing PCOS, or you're dealing with PCOS and you want to go on this journey with me, because this is another journey that I'm going to be going on, is this PCOS journey. I'm going to start, eating healthier. I don't know how more healthy I can eat, but I'm gonna start doing the PCOS diet, and I'm gonna do me some meals, start back meal prepping, start back working out at least probably like 3 to 5 times a week. Probably ain't gonna be 5, but I'm gonna try to do 3 times out of a week, for at least about 30 minutes to an hour a day, so I can get things balanced and get things back regulated and right. The next time I go to the doctor, she is supposed to be putting me on the right medications to help me get back in balance, to help my hormones get back in balance, and I can't wait for that. And I really want her to put me on something that is going to help with the infertility, because I don't want to deal with that. That is stressful, and being that I'm 28, I don't want it to be too late. I really don't want it to be too late. I'm going to do more research on this PCOS thing, because I really do want to know the ins and outs about it, and I want to know how to get it regulated. And like I said, I'm going to be doing the dieting, I'm going to be doing the working out and all of that good stuff, so I can get myself back together, because one, I don't want to get back up to a high number in my weight, because girl, worked way too hard to lose that weight just to gain it back, and that is something I'm not going to do. But I wanted to just come and bring light to it because I want to start a conversation about this PCOS thing, because I don't see many black women talking about it, and we got to get ourselves together. If you're dealing with it, please tell me your experience, how you're dealing with it, how you're coping with it. Is it easy? Is it difficult? All of that good stuff, bad stuff, or whatever. And yeah, that is it. Don't forget to like, make sure you comment and hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you can get all my notifications, because I upload every Saturday and you don't want to miss any of my content because it's lit, it's popping. We gets it on, we gets it popping, we keep it rocking, we ain't stopping, period. So yeah, that's it. Love you guys, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.